The agency that I'm going to be completing my field with is the agency that I work for. We treat substance abuse and mental health with men and women. We no longer have an adolescent program, so it's just adults. What I expect from field is to, I guess, gain some knowledge on maybe things that I don't have knowledge of. I've been doing addiction counseling for quite a few years, so I don't know really a whole lot about like policies and procedures as far as like the state of Montana goes. So I learn throughout, working with the clients, but I guess to get the perspective in a macro level would be nice. So I guess that's also what I'm most excited about, is just learning about Montana, because I am originally from South Dakota. So it'll be nice to learn more about Montana and some of the policies that they have as compared to South Dakota. I guess I'm most concerned about managing a lot of my time. I'm a single mom. My son just started kindergarten, so there's some also activities that he has as well. I work a second job. It's kind of it's really a self-employment, so it's something that I don't have to do. I just do for some extra income. My plan for managing my excitement and my concerns. I already do a lot of self-care, so I'm going to continue with self-care. Make sure that I'm eating healthy and exercising. Just really be able to balance out my time. And I've done pretty well this far. Been doing the same routine for a year and a half. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this point. Glad that I'm finally here and doing my internship. So nice to meet everybody, and we'll see you soon.